1. The Mona Lisa was painted on poplar board, and it can be seen in its entirety. We can see the pictorial layer limits as well as the preparation. This now proves that the board was never cut. 2. The restoration made to the top of the sky and the numerous small alterations. 3. The split of 4.3 inches in the board and the 2 superimposed restorations. 4. The fine double thickness of the head veil, sometimes attributed by error to a cap. 5. The blotch or blot or mark on the corner of the eye is a varnish accident. We also find one on the chin. This contradicts the hypothesis that Mona Lisa was sick and had cholesterol. 6. Her glance is a very different look from that which is seen today. 7. The reduction of the cracks on the lips and the eyes suggest a probable restoration or the varnish lightening in color with age. 8. Her face, slightly wider than today, shows us how Leonardo constructed the painting and the first expression of Mona Lisa. 9. Her smile is more expressive and more marked, showing perhaps the first intention of Leonardo da Vinci. 10. The drawing of the veil, never seen before with such definition. This most likely indicates Leonardo's painting method to underline the border of the veil. 11. We see the transparency of the veil painted by glacis, or glaze painting, onto and after the landscape was painted. With this we learn the way Leonardo paints and the order he paints things. 12. The column became transparent over time. Sometimes with certain pigments, the oil becomes more transparent with aging. 13. The remainder of the lace disappeared from her dress. 14. The underdrawing, preparatory drawing, of the interlace is identified. 15. An invisible interlace appears and provides us with the understanding that the veil was painted later. 16. The preparatory drawings of the left column. 17. The railing is made of a wood parquet construction. 18. Appearance of the right armrest and the drawing of the armchair that passes under the veil. 19. The repair of the elbow was necessary after a madman threw a rocketer causing damage in 1956. We can see the detail here. 20. The finger is not totally finished by Leonardo. 21. Leonardo changed his mind as to the position of the fingers, the index and the middle finger of the left hand. 22. A blanket covers Mona Lisa's knees and passes above her wrist. The wrist is slightly bent. This then justifies the position of the upright hand that supports the cover on her stomach. 23. The fingers of the left hand hold or retain the blanket on her knees. The pleats of the blanket rejoin the fingers. This reinforces the discovery above. 24. The small columns of the armrest are clearly visible. 25. Mona Lisa has eyebrows and eyelashes. Mona Lisa's 26th secret, a secret the museum has never told us.